Well, we had a little mishap today. Kind of ruined our entire day here. I think that came from the truck stop. We're gonna try and have that fixed in the morning, but we put our spare on, got this all done, and we're back in business. But we're not gonna travel over to the lake, being that there's no I don't have a spare, and that spare right there isn't great, but it's doable. So anyway, that's kind of how we're at. So that'll put a little bollocks in the day, and then we'll get that fixed tomorrow and swap that back out, and then put the spare underneath. So we just have that backup. Just kind of what we have to do, but maybe we can go for a little canoe paddle or something back over in the back bay there. Stick around this area till we get that fixed. Yeah, so it was kind of cool. Like I said, the St. Ignace police stopped by and they chit-chatted with me there for a little bit, and young fella, I got to give him a lot of respect. Name was Officer Rogers, and anyway, he did a very nice professional job stopping by and seeing if I need any help. Gave me his card in case I needed anything or something, and needed any anything to finish up on my repairs on my tire and stuff. So it was I gotta give him a shout out. That was very respectful, and did a nice job. And we had a pretty good conversation about different things. Of course, he went to school, same place. He went to an academy, and he knew of most all the areas, Lake State, where I went to school, and all those things. But yeah, and he didn't have to do that, but he gave me a patch to put in the bus, and maybe that'll be a neat trend. Maybe I can all the different places and stuff I travel and visit, maybe they'll give me a patch, and we can kind of put a whole collage of officer patches up there, which would be kind of cool. Like I said, the key to everything is just be respectful, and take care of it in court. Take care of it with the officer. Take whatever takes place, you go to get everything done. You go to court and deal with it from there. But I think everybody's being held more accountable this day and age. So, but anyway, enough of that thing. So anyway, we're downtown parked, and I'm just going to clean up and do some stuff, and I think I'm going to go get something to eat here of some sort, because I'm not cooking. I had enough cooking. I've been cooking for forever. I'll probably have another cup of coffee maybe here, and a cookie or something, and go get something decent to eat. It's already after 12, but tomorrow we'll try to get the tire fixed. Officer Rogers told me of a place here in town that he thought would be able to fix that tire. We'll try and get that patch, maybe get a tube in it, see what we can do with it. I hate to throw the tire away and end up having to buy a brand new one, but I don't want to go anywhere and travel without a spare on here, or a spare in this vehicle. So it was unfortunate, because it was a bolt, half-inch bolt, and drove right through the center. Probably picked it up at the little truck stop that I was at up there, and usually that's pretty clean. I don't have those kind of problems, but I don't know, must have hit it just right and drove it right through. So that kind of ruined our day for what we got. But maybe this afternoon we can do a little canoe paddle or something in the back bay. But anyway, the trials and tribulations of being out on the road, you just have to deal with things and get things taken care of and move on. So we'll get back over to our little camp spot. It was funny because Officer Rogers, I told him about my spot I was going to, and he knew exactly where that spot was. He was like, "That's like a hidden gem over there, that spot back in there." I said, "I know. I've been camping in there quite a few different times. It's great. You can go right down in the little bay there in Bodney Bay and fish Bodney Bay for some bluegills and some pike in there. And pike season just opened up here yesterday, so you know I see a lot of boats around. So it just opened up, so it's perfect time to get back up, be up in here and stuff. So all right, guys, see you guys tomorrow in another video. Peace out.
Call